Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Living 365. Are you tired of those boxed pancake mixes? Well, today I'm going to show you how to whip up the fluffiest, most delicious pancakes you've ever had right from scratch. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes. Trust me, you'll never go back to the box again. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. It's super simple. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. For our wet ingredients, we have 1.25 cups of milk, 1 large egg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. If you want to add a little extra warmth and richness, a teaspoon of vanilla extract is a fantastic addition. All right, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, we're going to combine all our dry ingredients. That's the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Just give them a quick whisk to make sure everything is evenly distributed. This step is key to getting a consistent rise in your pancakes. Now, in a separate, smaller bowl, we'll whisk together our wet ingredients. Pour in the milk, crack in the egg, add that lovely melted butter, and if you're using it, the vanilla extract. Whisk this mixture until it's smooth and everything is well combined. The aroma of that vanilla and butter is already making my kitchen smell incredible. Here comes the most important part for achieving that perfect fluffy texture. Now it's time to bring them together. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir gently, just until everything comes together. A few lumps in the batter are not only okay, they're exactly what we want. Those little lumps are our secret weapon for keeping the pancakes light and airy. If you overmix the batter, you'll develop the gluten in the flour, and your pancakes will turn out tough and dense instead of soft and fluffy. So, be gentle. It's time to cook. Heat up a non-stick pan or a griddle over medium heat. You don't want it screaming hot, just a nice, steady medium. Lightly grease it with a little bit of butter or a neutral oil. Once it's heated, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. You'll see bubbles start to form on the surface and the edges will begin to look a little dry and set. That's your cue. It usually takes about 2 minutes. Once you see those signs, it's time to flip. Use a thin spatula and flip them over carefully. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side until they're a beautiful golden brown. Look at that. Perfect. And there you have it. A beautiful stack of homemade pancakes, soft on the inside, perfectly golden on the outside, and absolutely delicious. Pile them high, add a pat of butter, a generous drizzle of maple syrup, or maybe some fresh berries. Whatever you love, they're the perfect canvas for a wonderful breakfast. Making amazing pancakes from scratch is truly that simple. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Living 365, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. The full recipe is in the description box below for you to save. Until next time, enjoy every smart, simple moment in your kitchen with Smart Living 365.